one bites the dust, and another one gone, and another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Hey, hey.